Hello guys, welcome here. So today we are going to create nut bolt like structure which you have seen on the thumbnail. So first of all we are going to select a front plane from here and now sketch. Now select a polygon from here and create its structure and give it some dimensions. So first of all we are going to give it the dimensions. So give it 20 millimeter and select it. It is ready now. Now go to features, extrude boss. Select a plane from here, mid plane, which is useful for us. Now give it like 12 millimeter, or you can also give it 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter is better. So select it. Now select this face and sketch on it. Draw a circle. Now make this tangent to the circle. Now we have to do same procedure from this side. You can also use mirror for it, but I am going to do it again because we will remember it very clearly. So first of all, select this surface, sketch, and then draw a circle. Make it tangent. Select the circle, raise it, and select this and make it tangent. So it is now tangent. So now we have to go to features, extrude cut, and then select midplane or first of all through all, then flip side cut, and you have to give an angle 45 degree and select it, and this is ready now. Now first of all select the surface, sketch, select a circle, and draw a circle here. Give it specific dimension about 20 mm. Now go to features, extrude boss base, and give it some specific dimension. So guys, we have made here a chamfer. So now we have to make threads on this bar. So first of all, go to whole wizard, select thread from here, select OK, and now thread location. First of all, you have to select this circle. So this is our starting edge one, and now select here up to selection and select this as a face one. So it will come. So you have to select metric die, then select the scale as M12 into 1.5 and keep remaining features as it is and save it. Now we have to give it a perfect shape. So first of all, select it. Now go to convert entities and now features, extrude cut, and select here row all and save it. So it will look like this. So it is ready now. Now let's try to change its appearance. So go here, select any type of color from here. I am giving this color and it is ready now. Now save this part, give it any number. Now select a new part, select front plane. We have to draw or we have to make a nut. So first of all, sketch, Now select this face, sketch, draw a circle over here, give it some specific dimension. Yes, 20 millimeter. Then go to features, extrude cut, select here through all and save it. Now this part is also ready. Now we have to make here threads. Before this, select this edge, chamfer 0.5 and this also 0.5, edge 1 and edge 2. Select it. Now select thread feature from whole wizard. OK. Now select location first of all. So up to the face, up to the selection. So you have to select this face. So it is not starting well. So add some offset. But it is not starting well from here. So add some offset 2 millimeter. Now it is ready. Now we have to choose and now choose here metric tab and give it M12 into 1.5 and save it. So our bolt is also ready now and nut is also ready. Now we have to give it some color or appearance. So first of all go here, metal and select color. I am giving this color and saving it. Now click here and select make assembly from part. Click here part 3 and bolt will appear here. Now go to assembly and select insert components and select part 4. Select here. Now we have to choose a mate from here and from here activate the temporary axis. Now this is axis. coincident relations. This is moving as like this.
So our final part is ready. I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching.